I want to thank you for coming out. Huh? Lah. Bye, black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Bye, black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Bye, black sheep.
Hello, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Saylor. Are you ready to take an adventure in reading? Let's go. Today, we're going to talk about a comprehension strategy that you can use when you read Lesson 6, Jack and the Wolf. Our comprehension strategy is understanding characters. That means thinking about what the animals and people do in a story. When we are practicing how to understand characters, we look for a few things to help us. One of the things that we can look for are what characters say or the words that they speak in the story. We can also pay attention to what characters do or what actions do they take in the story. We can also look for how characters feel. These are their emotions. They can give us good clues to help us understand the story. Let's practice understanding characters by looking at some pages from our story, Jack and the Wolf. Let's take a look at this picture. Here I see Jack. He's got his head in his hands. He looks almost sad to me. Let's read the words. Jack had every sheep with him. It is not fun to sit, said Jack. How do you think Jack is feeling in this part of our story? I think he may be feeling bored and a little sad, maybe even frustrated. When we think about how characters feel, it helps us to understand the story better. Next, let's take a look at what characters do. Let's look at our picture first. I can see Jack, and it looks like he's shouting, and I can see the word wolf coming out. I think he's shouting wolf. Let's read to be sure. I will yell, wolf, for fun. His friends ran up the hill to help. They did not see wolf. So in this part of our story, we can see what Jack does. He yells wolf, and it causes all of his friends to come running to help. We know there wasn't really a wolf in this part, don't we? Finally, we can pay attention to what characters say. Let's take a look at our picture here. Jack definitely looks like he feels bad about what he did to his friends. Let's read the words. I will be good, said Jack. I will not trick you. So by reading Jack's words, I know that he's learned his lesson in the story Jack and the Wolf. He's learned that it's never okay to lie or tell a fib. So boys and girls, as you're reading Jack and the Wolf this week, be sure to pay attention to what characters say, what they do, and how they feel. It will help you to understand the story better. Thanks for working so hard, and I'll see you next time.